Good morning, students. Today we are going to solve question number 1 of exercise 9.4 of chapter 9. Question number 1 says multiply these binomials, and they have given us 6 parts. They have told us multiply the binomial with other binomial. So how we will multiply? Just pay attention. We will multiply each term of one binomial with the each term of the other binomial, and for that purpose what we will do, we will take first 2x and then multiply with this whole bracket 4x minus 3, and then we will take plus 5 and again multiply with the whole bracket 4x minus 3. This is how we multiply binomial with binomial. Now we will open first bracket and then second. 2 4 is 8, x into x is x square, minus into plus is minus, 3 2 6 x. Now 5 4 20, x minus into plus will be minus, 5 3 15. Now we will add the like terms. Here 8x square will remain as it is, minus 6x plus 20x. Value of 20, the sign of 20 is greater because value 20 is greater than 6. So we will write plus sign. Now we will subtract this 2. 20 minus 6 will give me 14x minus 15. So this will be our answer. Same way we will solve all the 6 parts. First we will multiply first term of the first binomial with whole bracket, that is 3y minus 4. Then minus 8 with whole bracket, that is 3y minus 4. Now we will open the bracket, y into y square, 3 1 is 3. Minus into plus minus, 4 into y will give me 4y. Now this bracket minus into plus minus, 8 3 24y, minus into minus will give me plus, 8 4 is 32. Now we will look for the like terms. Here 3y square, we don't have another 3y square, so we will keep as it is. Minus 4y and minus 24y sign are same, so we will keep the same sign and add the terms. That we will give us 28y plus 32. We can't add further because they are unlike terms, so this is our answer. Now moving to third part, first let me write it down. So third part, same way we will multiply. We will take the first term of the first binomial and multiply it with the second binomial whole term. Then minus 0.5 m, we will multiply it with the whole binomial. So what we will do, we will multiply ignoring the decimal points of both. We will ignore the decimal points. How many decimal points we are ignoring? 1 here and 1 here. That means 2 decimal point. We will multiply 25 into 25, that will give me 625. Now L into L is L square. Since we have ignored 2 decimal point, we will place again 2 decimal point from the right side to left side, 1 2, so it will be 6.25 L square. Now plus into plus will give me plus. Again we will ignore the 2 decimal points, one from here and one from here. We will multiply 25 into 5 and that will give me 125. I will write 125 as it is, then multiplying m into L, that is ml. Since we have ignored the 2 decimal points, now it is time to place it back. So from the right hand side to the left hand side, 1 2, it is 1.25 ml. Now minus into plus will give me minus, 25 into 5 125 ml as we have done before, 25 into 5, and then plus into minus, minus 5 5s are ignoring 2 decimal points, so it will give me 25. Now again placing it back, we will get 0.25, sorry, here it is 0.25, not 2.5 m square. So now solving 6.25 L square, here plus 1.25 ml minus 1.25 ml will cancel out, so we will get minus 0.25 m square. Both are unlike terms, so this is our final answer. Hope you are understanding. Moving to the fourth part, taking the first term of the first binomial, multiplying it with the second whole binomial, then plus 3b, multiplying it with full binomial. A into x will give me ax, plus 5 into a will give me 5a, plus 3b into x will give me 3bx, plus 5 3s are 15b. None are the like terms, so our answer will be this only. We will not move further. Now moving to the fifth and the sixth part. First I will write. So fifth part, it says 2pq plus 3q square and 3pq minus 2q square multiply. Same procedure, 2pq multiplied by second binomial, again plus 3q square multiplied by second whole binomial. Open the bracket, 2 3s is 6, p into p, p square, q into q, q square, minus into plus, minus 2 2s are 4, p q raised to power 3, because q square plus into q will give me q cube, plus 3 3s are 9, q cube, p and q cube, plus into minus, minus 3 2s are 6, q into q square into q square will give me q raised to power 4. Now you can see here these both are like terms, so we will simplify it. 6p square q square minus 4p q cube plus 9p q cube. Here plus sign, that is 9 is greater, so we will place 9, sorry, plus 9 minus 4 will give me 5p q cube minus 6q raised to power 4. This will be our answer because we can't simplify it further. Now moving to the last part, procedure will be same, multiplying the first term 3 by 4 a square with the second bracket, but before I do this I have to simplify the second term. 4 into a will give me 4a square minus 4 2s will give 8 by 3 b square. This will be our second term. I have multiplied 4 with the whole bracket, so we will do the calculation of this bracket and this. Now taking 3 by 4 a square with this whole bracket, that is 4a square minus 8 by 3 b square plus 3b square, that will be multiplied with 4a square minus 8 divided by 3 b square. This bracket is multiplied with this. Because of the space I have written it down. Now multiplying 3 by 4 into 4 will give me 3 4s are 12 by 4 a square into a square will give me a raised to power 4. Minus into plus will give me minus 8 3s are 24 divide by 4 3s are 12. Now a square into b square will give me a square b square. plus into plus will give me plus, 3 4s is 12, a square b square, plus into minus will give me minus, 3 8s are 24, divide by 3, b square into b square will give me b raised to power 4. Now 4 1s and 4 3s will cancel out, 12 1s and 12 2s. Here 3 1s and 3 8s. So our answer will be 3a raised to power 4 minus 2a square b square plus 12a square b square minus 8 by 1 will give me 8 only, b raised to power 4. Now you can see these two terms are like terms, so we will cancel out. 3a raised to power 4. Here the bigger sign, we will take the value, numerical value is 12 and this is 2. 12 is bigger than 2, so we will take its sign, that is plus sign, and 12 minus 2 will give me 10 a square b square minus 8 raised to power 4, 8b raised to power 4, sorry. We can't simplify it further because they are unlike terms, so this will be our answer. Hope you have understood this question number 1 of exercise 9.4. We will meet with another question in new lecture. Till then, take care of yourself, stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.